Good morning to all of you. Hi, this is Jitendra Manucha and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would be discussing with you one of the hidden gems of astrology. Okay, and it is related to judging the quality of married life or relationship in your divine chart. Okay, so what you need to check, you need to check strength of nakshatra lord of your seventh house cusp. Okay, I am repeating this once again. You need to check strength of seventh house cusp nakshatra lord. Okay, not planet placed in seventh house. You need to check strength of its cusp. Okay, suppose if the nakshatra lord of your seventh house cusp is any malefic planet like Rahu, Ketu, or Mars or Saturn, okay, then you can say that there would be too much friction in your married life or relationship, or you can say that it won't bode well for you. Okay, but if that malefic planet is under the influence of any benefic planet, then you can say that amount of friction would be reduced. Okay, uh, for example, let me explain this with the help of an horoscope. Okay, uh, actually, one of my clients came to me for a consultation, and she became widow in her late 20s. So what I observed in her horoscope was that seventh house cuspal lord, okay, sorry, star lord or nakshatra lord of seventh house, not planetary lord. Okay, seventh house cuspal star lord was Rahu. Okay, and that Rahu was sitting in the sign of Saturn. Okay, so now you see that Rahu is a malefic planet and Rahu is sitting in the sign of Saturn. Neither it was aspected by any benefic planet, nor it conjuncted any benefic planet. Okay, and not only this, Rahu was sitting in the nakshatra of Satbhisha, which we all know that the lord of Satbhisha nakshatra is Rahu. Okay, so now you can see that Rahu sitting in the sign of Saturn, sitting in the nakshatra of Rahu. So it is a double Rahu effect. Okay, and that too with Saturn. Okay, so she became widow in her late 20s, and twice, not once. Okay, so in this way you can check strength of your quality of married life. Okay, now you can say that if nakshatra lord of seventh house cusp is a malefic planet, then you can say that 70% your married life won't be smooth. There would be too much friction. Okay, but if that nakshatra lord is with any benefic planet or aspected by any benefic planet, then you can say that you can strength of that your Rahu would be mitigated. Okay, its negative trait would be mitigated. Okay, so in this way you need to check. Okay, and if there is a 50-50 case, like if that nakshatra lord is malefic planet, but your Venus is strong, or sorry, but your Venus is strong in case of male's horoscope, or your Mars is strong in case of female's horoscope, respectively, because we all know that Venus is a significator of spouse in case of males, and that Mars is a significator of spouse in case of females. Okay, so if these two planets are strong, then you can say that this is a 50-50 case. Okay, but if these two are also not strong, and you are and that the cuspal star lord of seventh house is also a malefic planet, then means you can say that it would lead to separation or divorce or a kind of widowhood. Okay. B- because in her horoscope, what I have seen, that the trinal connection of that Mars and Venus. Okay, because in her horoscope, Mars was following Ketu, and Ketu was following Saturn, and Saturn was following Venus, and that too in trine connection. Okay, means degree wise, Mars, then Ketu, then Saturn, and then Venus. Okay, so and nakshatra lord of seventh house Kaspa was also Rahu. So unfortunately, she became a widow in her late 20s. Okay, so in this way, you need to check a quality of your married life or relationship. Okay, so if you have any queries related to this, you can write in the comment section. And actually, this was asked by one of my followers on the Quora platform. I used to write articles therein. Okay, so thank you for watching.